beautiful 4K resolution, lightning-fast load times, and a controller that makes gaming more immersive and tactile than ever before make the PS5 a tremendous leap forward in console gaming. Hey guys, this is Pete and you are watching Product Reviews. Stay subscribed to stay connected. In many cases, it enhances the performance of PS4 games, and reduces loading times. Obviously, the PS5 has a big performance improvement over the PS4 Pro. But if you're searching for the best graphics, can't get your head around gaming on a PC, and are platform agnostic, the Xbox Series X is also worth considering. When it comes to migrating data between PS4 and PS5 systems, users are reporting difficulty with external hard drives. Some customers have reported seeing corrupted data after the transfer, while others have experienced losing data that was previously available on the hard disk. Due to a global shortage of chips caused by an outbreak, and an upsurge in demand for entertainment technology among those who have been locked at home for 2 years, non-celebrities are having a hard time getting their hands on a PS5. For those who don't know what to call it, Sony has ensured that it's a head-turner, no matter what you choose to call it. Because of its futuristic appearance, the tower looks like something out of a science fiction movie. There is no way to miss it because it has bright blue, white, and yellow lights coming out of its inside, making it look like a spaceship fragment. This design is either loved, or loathed, just like the Xbox Series X. The only difference between the two styles is that the two-tone version provides more customization possibilities, and a more polarizing design language. Additionally, the soft breathing light effects enhance the entire look and feel. Despite the fact that the light source is concealed, the side panel's internal reflections make it appear stunning even in the absence of external illumination. Size and weight are the most critical considerations. To put it mildly, PS5 is hefty. Its dimensions are 39 by 10 by 26 cm, and it weighs 4.5 kg. Under, or around a television will necessitate additional space. The disc copy we received was slightly thicker at the base than the digital edition, which is more symmetrical. Another problem is the design, which appears to be difficult to keep clean. You don't want dust to accumulate in your big, white gaming console because of the, almost, clearly apparent fan grills from top to bottom. As a result of a lack of PS5s available for purchase, many consumers are unable to upgrade to the latest console. There will be more devices manufactured by Sony in 2021, citing the fact that it has acquired higher component inventories from several of its primary manufacturing partners. Prices for the PlayStation and half range from $499 in the United States to $749 in Australia. The PS5 Digital Edition, $399 in the US, £359 in the UK, and $599 in Australia, is a good alternative if you can live without a disc drive, and are just interested in digital games. Sony's PlayStation and half has sold over 10 million units since its November 2020 release, making it the company's fastest-selling video game console ever. Due to tremendous demand, and a global chip shortage, the PS5 is one of the most difficult products to buy in stock. If your PlayStation and half is overheating, you'll be able to tell rather quickly, according to Ashurian. Red flags include the following: your PS5 will display the message "Your PS5 is too hot." Warnings like this one are often followed by a sudden system shutdown. You'd be blown away by the PS5's performance even if its appearance didn't. From the loading time of Marvel Spider-Man Remastered between PS4 and PS5, to the ray tracing effects in Miles Morales, this platform appears to have it all. You may thank AMD's 8-core Zen 2-based CPU, and the new RDNA 2 GPU for this. The latter can drive 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. With a fast-loading SSD, and 16GB of GDDR6 RAM, you've got a strong set of numbers on paper. For gamers, the 825GB SSD has just 667GB of usable space. In order to save money, you'll have to limit yourself to a few games at a time. The PS5 and PS4 are backwards compatible to some extent. There will be a large number of PS4 games that will work on the PS5. Switching off the console causes the console lights to pulse white, and then go out. When the console is off, it cannot download or install content, nor can it be used to charge USB controllers. PlayStation and half consoles have now been sold in excess of 10 million units worldwide, and we know just how you can get your hands on one. However, Sony continues to lose money on its less expensive and disc-free digital edition of the PS5, which was released in November 2020. It is not possible to use PS5 controllers with the PS4. If you have a DualShock 4, you can play PS4 games with it on the PS5, but you can't play games with a PS5 controller. No inputs will be detected by the PS5's DualSense controller when connected to a PS4 through Bluetooth. However, a PS4 certified SSD can be used to increase the storage capacity. You'll have to wait a little longer now that the option is closed. Using the USB connector, you can connect external hard drives and solid-state drives, SSDs. In terms of disadvantages, the only one is that loading times will take longer than on the PS5. Due to the additional heatsink, the console's internal board now weighs 1,368 grams. A large amount of heatsink has been removed from this latest model by Sony. With fewer fins and thinner heat pipes, it simply isn't as effective at removing heat from the console. Assume it's a computer, and treat it as such. If you use Bluetooth to connect a DualShock 4 controller, the PS5 controller won't recognize any inputs. Because of Sony's exclusive titles, high-quality graphics, excellent haptic feedback, and an unusual-looking design, the PS5 is a good choice for a first-time console buyer. Other reasons to choose the PS5 include its difficult-to-maintain innovative design, and high-quality graphics. It's as good as it gets at this point. As a PS4 user, one of the PS5's key advantages is that it is able to run almost all PS4 games. This is in addition to the previously mentioned advantages. Even while it's primarily a gaming console rather than a media hub, some may be disappointed by the lack of Dolby Audio and Vision support. Whatever the case may be, it's an important addition to the cast. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.